Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football how to leave a league. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To leave an ESPN Fantasy Football league, it depends on when you are trying to leave, before or after the draft. So if it's before the draft, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your ESPN Fantasy app, and then be sure to be logged into your account by simply tapping on the login option and entering your credentials. Then once logged in, tap on the football and select the league you want to leave. Then simply tap on the gear icon in the top right settings, and then scroll down and tap on leave league option. Then once done, confirm when prompted. So you can also use it on desktop by simply heading over to your browser and typing in fantasy.espn.com, select your team name onto the league, click settings or league tab, and scroll down and click leave. Once you have prompted to confirm, simply tap on confirm. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.